Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover photos you've deleted in Facebook. So if you've moved an item to the trash bin, so let's just say we went ahead and deleted this picture here. So please note that you have 30 days to recover posts, pictures, videos from the trash before they're permanently deleted. So we're going to go ahead and just move it, which is basically for most people would be considered deleting it. However, we're going to go the extra step and actually delete the file from our trash folder. So open up your profile icon on the top right. This is account when you hover over it. And then select settings and privacy. And then you want to select the activity log entry in here. Now on the left side, you want to scroll down and select where it says trash. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you should see your picture in here. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and then select restore to profile. So items you restore to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. Go ahead and select restore at this point. And now if we go back to our profile icon, you can see it's currently loading, but we're going to go ahead over here. You should see the picture should reappear. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.